What kind of oil is good for cooking? I get that question a lot because we talk about cooking a lot, talk about food, talk about proper nutrition, and so cooking is such an important thing to do, not only as a communal thing and family building and husband and wife or family mother and child and father and child working together inside the household. Cooking is such a family bonding thing, but it's also such an important thing. Saves you a lot of money. You know what you're eating and that kind of thing. So what you cook with is very important. So there's a couple of different things that people do wrong. Canola oil has always been marketed to us as such a heart healthy thing. It is a terrible oil. Any type of vegetable oil turns into trans fats when it's heated. So soybean oil, corn oil, sapphire oil, cottonseed, like I said, canola, and those all turn into trans fats. Better alternatives would be things like avocado oil. Coconut oil, both which have more of a distinctive flavor. If you want to have a healthier oil that doesn't have a flavor, it's not going to change the flavor of your food, then you want to go with a grape seed oil. Also butter. Butter is very important too. Real butter, healthy butter, Kerrygold. That's a delicious butter, but it's made from grass-fed cows. So that's what you want. You don't want to have your butter come in a tub that says margarine or Parkay or anything like that. So just a little tip on something you guys can do to cook with healthier alternatives or healthier options. Hope that helps. Take care. Have a great day.